precious human values. But we guess that we have found an answer to them because the first of its kind in the series, Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, is taking an ominous step towards commemorating the International Day for Tolerance on 16th of November, that is today. A bit about the International Day for Tolerance. The United Nations is committed, as we all know, towards strengthening the tolerance by fostering mutual understanding amongst cultures and people. This imperative lies at the core of the United Nations Charter as well as the UDHR, that is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In 1996, the UN General Assembly, by a resolution, invited the UN members to observe the International Day for Tolerance. And 1 year later, that is since 1996, 16th of November started making a mark in the history of academia, in the history of education, and the history of all our lives. The laws, the education, the accessibility to information, the individual awareness, and the local solutions, troubleshooting, are all the part of what this word tolerance has within its own plethora. Now, without further delay, I wish to invite our guest of the day, Dr. Naveen Kumar Mehta, who in such a short span of time has accepted this invitation to be our keynote speaker. But before I introduce you to him, I would like to give a brief about him. Dr. Naveen Kumar Mehta is currently working as an associate professor in the Department of English School of Language, Literature and Arts, Sachi University of Buddhist and Indic Studies. He is former dean and head of the Department of English, Sachi University, and has more than 15 years of comprehensive experience in research, academia, and teaching. He has been the apt in qualifying in the NET and the SLET, as well as triple postgraduate in English literature, which speaks of his efforts and his contribution to the academic society. He has been honored by the Prime Minister of India and the Ministry of HRD of India on account of his meritorious and outstanding academic career. He has been elected a fellow of the RAS Great Britain and Ireland January 2013 and senior member of IEDRC International Economics Development Research Center. Not only that, but he has also been conferred with the honorary D.Litt. Dr. Mehta successfully completed courses on professional development and awarded certificates of achievement from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA, the Harvard University, University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, and many, many more. Apart from his exuberance and his establishment in the foreign countries, he has successfully completed short-term FDPs in the institutions and organizations of repute such as the IITs, the IIMs, and the NITs. He has also been felicitated by the President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, New Delhi, on the occasion of Teachers' Day in 2008 for his excellent contribution. Not only that, he has published 6 books as an author, namely a handbook of communication skills practices, elements of commerce and management, English grammar, communication skills, and many more. So, without further delay, I would humbly request Dr. Naveen Kumar Mehta sir from Sachi University to take over and enlighten us with his deliberation. Sir.
My greetings to one and all. It's a wonderful afternoon, and I'm really thankful to the MITS Gwalior for inviting me to share my experience and knowledge on this auspicious day of International Day for Tolerance. I'm really glad when I got a call from my very lovely, young, highly enthusiastic, spirited brother like figure, Dr. Saurabh Bhattacharya ji. I'm really thankful to him. Not only to him, I'm really thankful to the director of your institute, Professor R.K. Pandit ji. I'm thankful to Dean Students Welfare, Professor Rajiv Kansal ji, Dean Academic Affairs, Professor Manjari Pandit ji, and Head of the Department, Applied Sciences, Dr. Abhay Mishra ji, and the person who is behind the curtain but whose presence can be felt everywhere, each and every corner, in each and every, you can call it, in every nook and corner, you can find his presence. The coordinator of this event, Dr. Saurabh Bhattacharya ji. It's my pleasure to be with you people. I extend my heartiest welcome again to one and all. Let me begin with this prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahi Tejasvinavadhi Tamastu Ma Vidvidishavahe. Oh my God, O Almighty, bless us, not only me, but my all gurus, so that in this journey of knowledge, we can move with a very positive frame of mind and we will attain success. Thank you very much. Let's begin the presentation part. The topic that I have chosen, and while I was choosing this topic, let me extend my thanks again to Dr. Bhattacharya ji. He advised me, sir, better if you could choose a topic which should be near to our communication, English language, literature area. So I chose a topic, communication and tolerance. Communication, I think almost all of you are well aware about it. And tolerance, I think it's a key word. And tolerance we require in the present time. So let me begin this presentation on a very cheerful note. We need tolerance. Why do we require tolerance? Everywhere chaos is there. And this is a post-pandemic era. Well, life is coming back to the track after lots of hustle and bustle, lots of ups and downs. People suffered a lot. Still people are suffering. Humanity was crying few days ago, few months ago. And we want what? Peace, tolerance for each other. I think it is the need of the hour to have tolerance and peace. So whole world is looking at India. And India is not going to disappoint them. The nation is rising now. It's emerging as a very strong nation. We had given a lot to the world. In the time to come, we are ready to offer peace and solace to the crying humanity. So let me begin the presentation part, and You can see the topic on the screen. Let me share it for you. Okay. Is it visible to you? Wait for a while.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, one and all.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So when you talk about communication and tolerance, you have 4 words: humanity, tolerance, diversity, equality. Well, the French Revolution, it has given us mantra of fraternity, equality, and liberty. What about humanity? What about the diversity that we have in our society, that we have in the present world? We need patience, patience, patience. We need equality. And I think if we will bring tolerance, we will cultivate an environment of tolerance, equality, diversity, then humanity can find this world is a better place to live in. Let us have Shanti part so that the peace will sustain and the violence will be far away from us. As it is well said in one of the mantras, Om Dhyam Shanti Antariksha Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Roshadaya Shanti Vanaspataya Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Sama Shanti Raudhi Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I think Shanti is the word. Om Shanti. Eliot, in his words, in one of the best poems for which he conferred Nobel Prize of Literature, he ends on this note: Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. हे प्रभु शांति कीजिए, जल में, थल में, गगन में, मेरे इस अंतरिक्ष में, ब्रह्मांड में. कि कहा जाता है विश्व जो है अग्नि, आकाश, वायु, ये सब अहंकार, ये सभी इसी के तत्व हैं. जल, अग्नि, वायु. अग्नि में शांति कीजिए, पवन में शांति कीजिए, औषधि में शांति कीजिए, वनस्पति, वन, उपवन, सकल विश्व में, मेरे चेतन में, मेरे अचेतन में, मेरे राष्ट्र निर्माण के सृजन में, मेरे नगर में, मेरे ग्राम में, मेरे भुवन में शांति कीजिए, शांति कीजिए. जब ये शांति होगी तभी हमें सहिष्णुता और सहनशीलता का भाव पैदा हो सकता है. Let us wait. If we start with this cheerful note, with this highly, spiritual mantra, there is only little wet we have to make. Now tolerance is loading. The process has started, and we are not far away. The process will be completed, and you will become a transformed person. Your personality will be transformed, and you will keep the word tolerance with you, not for today, but forever. So, the agenda for today's presentation, I will keep my focus on these points. You can see them. Let me go ahead. When you talk about the concept of tolerance, we need to go back to the pages of the dictionary. What do you mean by tolerance as such? I think इसको ऐसा बोलें, तेरी भी जय और मेरी भी जय. आओ, मैं तेरी भी जय बोलता हूं और मेरी भी जय. It's a willingness to accept that whatever belief you have, I don't mind. It may be different from mine. Even I don't agree with you, or even I don't approve them at all. but I will keep my reservations off. I will respect your dignity, your attitude, your belief, your behavior, so harmony can be maintained. A union can be established. Let us go back to the pages and find out the etymological, the origin of the word tolerance, for which we are today gathered over here. The word, as you can see, it is originated from the word Latin tolerance, which is the present participle in terms of grammar. Tolerare, to bear, endure, tolerate. इसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं झेल रहा हूं, बहुत गलत कोनोटेशन है. रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा हूं यदि कहें तो ज्यादा उपयुक्त होगा, सहिष्णुता कहूं तो ज्यादा उपयुक्त होगा. The word tolerance, it was used in Middle French, 14th century, and in English it started its journey from 15th century onwards. This is not the day just to remember that on such and such date, on such and such year, we started celebrating International Day for Tolerance. We need to carry the values that the word tolerance, the feelings, the emotions, the sentiments that this great word it carries, not only today but throughout the year, throughout our life. Well, when you have the principles, what are the principles? In 1996, United Nations General invited the UN members, that is the United Nations members, and they are 5 at the time, now 7, to observe the International Day for Tolerance on 16th November. From that day onwards, we started celebrating it. Bhattacharya ji also, I think, pointed out this, so that we can foster mutual understanding. Understanding. मैं तुझे समझूं, तू मुझे समझ. So that the people from diverse culture, diverse background, they can have mutual understanding, harmony, and respect. And tolerance, as per the principles are concerned, it recognizes universal human rights. We talk about rights. It's my human right, and it is my fundamental right to have freedom. It's not my freedom. I'm not wrong if I would quote here A.G. Gardiner's a very famous essay, Rules of the Road, in which he talks about, if I have the freedom to walk on the road, there are many people on the road. They too have their freedom. In order to relish my freedom, I have to curtail my freedom. यदि मुझे स्वतंत्रता है घूमने फिरने चलने बोलने उठने बैठने की, तो मैं दूसरे की स्वतंत्रता का भी ख्याल रखूं. If I am free, let me think about the freedom of others. Only tolerance, it can ensure the survival of the communities that we have in the modern world. Mixed communities, hybrid communities, cosmopolitan culture, and it is across the globe. I hope that you are enjoying the PPTs, you are getting certain clues out of it. Any doubt, any question till time? And
So, practically, tolerance is possible because nowadays, as you can see, that many people are short-tempered.
very
So,
good, very good, very good. I can understand. Thank you very much. for making me aware. I should not lose my temper. Okay, many people, not you. When you count people, there are many, and they lose their temper, and reasons may be numerous. A number of reasons may be there. My dear young lad, young brand ambassador of MITS, we need to search, explore the causes that make you to lose your temper. What are the reasons? What is the background? And if we will find out the causes, if we will reach to the roots of your causes, then we will be able to eliminate all the causes. We can cure anybody's disease. So we need to understand the person's background, psychology, attitude, behavior, and it is called in communication you attitude. I am here because you are there. I can't be here if you are not there. You is more important rather than I. I hope that you have understood. We will discuss.
Yes.
We will discuss more. We will discuss more. Have a glass of water. Meanwhile, this is the best way to keep yourself cool. You will not lose your temper. Okay, let us go ahead. When you talk about the awareness that you can generate, so that you can have tolerance everywhere, and it is how we can cultivate. We need to be helpful to each other. As that young lad, he raised a very good question. Right, wrong, right, wrong, right, wrong, right, wrong. No, just like a puppet in the hands of the people. People are using me, misusing me. People are taking me to the right direction, wrong direction. I don't know. I'm under stress. My God, please save me. Hey Ishwar, bacha mujhe. OMG, oh my God. Part 2 bhi aa raha hai. So, if you have this, capacity for independent judgment, when you are, allowed this type of freedom, you can take your own judgment, then you will be able to develop a kind of thinking which is the 21st century's the foremost important need, critical thinking. And then it is followed by not only reasoning, ethical reasoning, where you can choose what is right, what is wrong. And if you go further, you will find out in different terms, it is somewhat very closely linked with respect for the race. There should not be any ethnical, violence. There should not be any gender inequality. I'm a boy, that girl is girl. Then I'm Hindu, he's Muslim, I'm Jain, he's Buddhist. Ideological, based on religion, based on opinion, based on sex, gender. When people have this respect for other groups, other people, when they will admire the good qualities and good works of others, then you can have awareness. Then you will not lose your cool, as the young lad said. इसकी साड़ी से मेरी साड़ी सफेद क्यों? भाई उसकी भी सफेद, मेरी भी सफेद. Let us go, develop in this holistic environment. When you should not think about yourself. Pay respect and get respect. Ill got, ill spent. We need here see that boy is quite young. The other person who is carrying bag on his back, he looks like an elder one. But in Indian concept, if I say Aham Brahmasmi, what does it mean? I am the representative of that Brahma, not in Brahm. मैं ब्रह्म में नहीं हूं, मैं ब्रह्म का अंश हूं. I am the representative of that divine power. अब तो इसको प्रूव कर दिया है साइंटिफिकली. अब आप गार्ड्स पार्टिकल, और आप तो MITS के विद्यार्थी हैं भाई, नाम ही काफी है। तो we need to have this mutual goodness, mutual respect, mutual understanding. Then you can have a holistic environment. है ना, व्यक्तित्व का संपूर्ण विकास, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी कैन बी डेवलप। पर हम नहीं समझते हैं, मैं तो ये हूं, मैं तो वो हूं, मेरे पास तो ये है, उसके पास नहीं है, मैं टीचर हूं, वो विद्यार्थी है, मैं स्कॉलर हूं, वो PhD गाइड है, या फिर वो हमारे लैब असिस्टेंट है, हम लैब में, वो मैं हेड हूं, मैं डीन हूं, मैं ये हूं मैं। बट इफ आई हैव रिस्पेक्ट, you too have respect. I should not delimit your respect. I should keep this factor in my mind, because you are an individual. As an individual, out of that individuality, you have your own aura, you have your own respect. I should respect that. Okay, let us go ahead. Why do we require tolerance in today's world? As that young lad asked, a very good question. The world is full of diversity. No, this is the beauty of universe. अरे भाई, हमारे यहाँ तो बड़ी विचित्र बात है इंडियन परंपरा में, भारतीय परंपरा में। क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम। वाह, यही सत्य है, यही शिव है, यही सुंदर है। दिस इज द एसेंस ऑफ लाइफ। दुनिया का सत्य यही है। This world is full of colors, full of diversity. Everywhere you will find your differences, but when you see it from a perspective, from a non-biased perspective, you'll find the world is full of beauty, and it is more beautiful than any artificial painting. So at this level you require tolerance. If you want to have this diversity to work for you for a long duration of time, you need to respect. Then you need to have what? Harmony. You need to have mutual love for each other, affection for each other. And if you don't have harmony, you don't have tolerance, societies cannot be sustained. Societies cannot be maintained. Violence will be there, chaos will be there, chaotic society will be there, uproar will be there, and there will be everywhere disloyalty, dishonesty, cheating. People will deceive each other. So you have fighting on the roads, violence everywhere, from home to the street, and no security, no peace at all. The society will, in place of having peace, will divide into pieces. You can understand the division between peace and pieces. India, सोने की चिड़िया, मेरा देश, मेरा वतन, तुझे नमन। नाम कहता है INDI, an Indian. I am an Indian. When you are an Indian, you have in you Hindu, Jain, Buddha, Sikh, Islam, and Christian. You are all in one because you are an Indian. Feel pride as you are born as an Indian, and you will die as an Indian. So let us strive and work for the society. Let us hold your head high, as Rabindranath Tagore, in one of his beautiful poems, he articulated, and I'm just repeating one line out of it. Head your held high, that you are an Indian. In Gita, Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, and the shlok number 14. Matra isprashastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkha agama payonina nityas stanti sho Bharat. Meaning, oh son of Kunti, you have happiness, you have, sorrowfulness, distress. They are non-permanent. They will come and they will go away, just like the weather, just like the season. Just like winter and summer, rainy seasons, they appear and disappear. Because they arise from the sense of perception. अनुभव करते हैं हम, तो हमें लगता है, हे भरत, कुंती के पुत्र, सुन अर्जुन, one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. हम सहन करते हैं, सर्दी आ रही है भैया, वृक्ष भी करते हैं, आप भी करते हैं, इनएनिमेट और एनिमेट दोनों। ठंड आती है, गर्मी आती है, क्या हम प्रभावित होते हैं? क्या हम अपना टेम्पर खो बैठते हैं? नौजवान भारत के बालक जिसने प्रश्न पूछा था, क्या हम अपना कूल खो बैठते हैं? क्या हम उसको, जब बारिश आती है तो उसकी बूंदों से लड़ने बैठते हैं? ठंड आती है, ठंडी बयार से क्या हम अपना सर झुका लेते हैं? जब हिमालय नहीं झुका सकता, जो भारत की ताज आन है, शान है, तो आप तो उसी अमृत्योस्यो पुत्र, हम तो इस अमर पुत्र हैं पावन धरती के, हम अमर पुत्र हैं, अमृत्योस्यो पुत्र, अमृत के पुत्र हैं, इस भारतीय भूमि के पुत्र हैं, भारत माता के पुत्र हैं। सर झुका सकते नहीं, गर्दन कटा सकते हैं, सर नहीं झुका सकते, यह है टॉलरेंस। पर हम सर अकड़ में नहीं झुकाते हैं, सर हम अकड़ में कटा नहीं सकते, ये भी नहीं कह रहा हूं। हम जिसे रिस्पेक्ट देना होता है उसे रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, और देना भी चाहिए, ये हमारी परंपरा का हिस्सा है। हम अकड़ में कभी सर नहीं खड़ा रखते हैं कि मुझे अपना अहंकार दिखाना है। अहंकार रहित यह भूमि है, जन्मभूमि है हमारी, इसको हम नमन करते हैं। आइए उस महान पुरुष को, स्वामी विवेकानंद, वो कहते हैं कि मेरा जन्म एक ऐसे रिलीजन में हुआ है, प्राउड टू बिलोंग टू अ रिलीजन which has taught the world tolerance and universal acceptance. India is a nation that has given the world the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Whole world is my extended family. ये मेरा विश्व परिवार है। यार आप क्या बात करोगे एलपीजी की, कि लिबरलाइजेशन आ गया, ग्लोबलाइजेशन आ गया? तो हमारे शास्त्रों में लिखा था वर्षों पहले, युगों पहले, the whole world is mine and I am the part of this divine power. Means, like most Indians, Hindu who are living in India or in this world, great country, great dhara, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, or any other people of religion, they are free here to practice their religion, and they have the respect for other religions also. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religion as true. हर धर्म में कुछ न कुछ है। चलिए, आप इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के विद्यार्थी हैं, टेक्नोलॉजिकल मैनेजमेंट, फार्मा भी है सर भट्टाचार्य जी, MITS में फार्मास्यूटिकल स्टडीज होती हैं क्या?
नहीं सर, फार्मास्यूटिकल स्टडीज नहीं
कोई
है
बात
अभी।
तो कहा जाता है, थर्ड इडियट का वो डायलॉग याद रखिए, उसमें वो आमिर खान ने, एक आपसरी का जवान जो टेक्नोलॉजी को टेक्नोलॉजी समझकर, पढ़कर नहीं, करके सीख रहा है। जैसा आप MITS में सीखते हैं, आपको सौभाग्यशालियों के सारे आपके पास भट्टाचार्य जी की यंग ब्लड। और वो कहते हैं, उनकी क्लास में जब जाते हैं तो आपको कोई बोलता है इस क्लास में जाता हूँ, कभी इस क्लास में जाता हूँ, तो वो डायलॉग बोलता है आमिर खान, उसमें रणछोड़ है ना नाम शायद उसमें, तो वो बोलता है कि ज्ञान यहां पर हर जगह मिल रहा है। ये तो वैदिक मंत्र है भाई, औनो भद्रो कृत्वो यंतु विश्वत। मतलब ये ऋग्वेद का 1.891 पॉइंट है, जिसमें कहा जाता है कि ज्ञान तो दशों दिशाओं से प्राप्त होता है। ये कन्वेंशनल जो रिलीजन है, रिचुअल्स है, कस्टम्स है, सेरेमनीज है, इसके बियॉन्ड चले जाके बात करता है। क्योंकि हम 4 दिशा की बात क्यों करते हैं, हमारे 10 दिशाएं मानी गई है ना। 10 दिशाओं से ज्ञान हमें प्राप्त होता है, और ये ज्ञान है हमें जो टॉलरेंस का उपदेश देता है। अथर्ववेद में तो कहा ही गया है, वी नीड हेल्दी कम्युनिकेशन, यू आर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। भाई आप देखो ना, सेल्समैन कितनी आसानी से अपने कपड़े बेच देता है, एक व्यापारी आपको दुकान में पकड़ लाता है। कम्युनिकेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, कम्युनिकेशन। एंड वाचा वदामि मधुमध, your communication, it should be like drops of honey. If you speak, you should speak always in a very pleasant, sweet tone. यहाँ पर टोन का मतलब नहीं, the words that you use, the articulation of words, the accent, intonation, pitch, everything should be soothing. यार यही शब्द अब जब हम एक लाइन में जमा देते हैं तो गाना बन जाता है, जिसको श्रेया घोषाल गाती है या आपके नई पीढ़ी के गायक गाते हैं, तो you like that song very much. It becomes a soothing, combination of words. Let us go ahead and explore Buddhism. भाई बुद्धिज्म में कहा गया है there are 8-fold noble truth. Out of that, right intent, right action, and right speech is also there. Whenever you speak, whenever you like to communicate to others, have the appropriate usages of words. Keep yourself away from abusing words which are demeanor, which are below to your level. Abusing speech should be curtailed, should not be entertained. And therefore there is a mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum, and it is the the essence of the entire Buddhist teaching. What does it mean? Om, like in our Indian religion, even everywhere, Om is a very sacred word. Mani means jewel. Jewel means bead, that is moti. Padme, that is the lotus flower. Hum represents the spirit of enlightenment. So let us be a jewel of that lotus flower and spread the spirit of enlightenment across the globe. And this is the hallmark of Buddhism. Therefore, Buddha has 3 jewels further. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. When you surrender, you will get more. Submit yourself to your elders before your gurus. More you submit, more you will gain. More you will become, in terms of attaining power of tolerance. जो झुकता है वो पाता है, जो तनता है अननेसेसरी अपने आप को कड़क बनाता है, टूट जाता है। वृक्षों से सीखिए कैसे झुका जाता है जब उनमें फल लगते हैं, नहीं तो पत्थर पड़ते, खुद ही झाड़ देते हैं महकते हुए फूलों को और पके हुए फलों को। आइए, लेट अस मूव टू द जैनिज्म। ओम नमो हरिहंताणम, ओम नमो सिद्धाणम। क्या कहा गया है? Have benevolence towards all living beings. Have, merriment, enjoyment, joy, cheerfulness. When you have the virtues, compassion, and sympathy. For whom? For the afflicted, the people, those who are suffering. And the world is full of suffering, as Buddhism has got 4 Arya Sattva. I'm not going to discuss about them. Life is full of suffering, and suffering, can be eliminated. And how it can be eliminated? Through following middle path. Similarly, Jainism का मतलब यही होता है जिसने जीत लिया इंद्रियों को, काम, क्रोध, मोह, लोभ, वासना, लालसा जीत ली जिसने, वो टॉलरेंट की चोटी पर खड़ा है। उसको न कोई आंधी डिगा सकती है, न कोई इंसान उसे छका सकता है। टॉलरेंस टुवर्ड्स इंडोलेंट एंड इल बिहेव्ड, दोज हु आर डिसऑनेस्ट, जो इसमें तो बड़ा बड़ा अच्छा मार्ग है। अपरिग्रह, अस्तेय, सत्य बोले, चोरी न करें, ईमानदारी से रहें, ज्ञान, अहिंसा। महात्मा गांधी यहीं से तो लेते हैं अहिंसा। आज यदि महात्मा गांधी का नाम नहीं लूंगा टॉलरेंस में, तो कोई मेरा ख्याल से पूरा दिन, पूरा विश्व अकृतज्ञ होगा। ये कृतज्ञता होगी हमारी। देखिए टॉलरेंस, आप मुझे एक गाल पर मारिए, मैं इस गाल को आपके सामने खड़ा करता हूं। यह है टॉलरेंस यंग लेड, कि आप, तो मैं खाली गिलास पानी पीने का कह रहा हूं, वो तो अपना गाल ही खड़ा कर देते थे। लेट्स लिव एंड मेक अदर्स टू लिव ऑल्सो। जियो और जीने। When you have this concept in your mind, you can remain, you know what, in the galaxy of tolerance. Let's go ahead. Sikhism is not far away from the faith of tolerance, and it has got in his, Shabad Kirtan also, in his, that wonderful book of knowledge book, that is the scripture, Guru Vani also, Guru Granth Sahib also. It is written, freedom of religion and freedom of speech, they are the cornerstones. कबीर, मुझको कहाँ ढूंढे बंदे, मंदिर और मस्जिद में, मैं तो यहाँ बसा हूं तेरे। आई एम हियर, नॉट फार अवे फ्रॉम यू। लव फॉर ऑल, नो malice for none, no, I don't have any hatred. बेकन भी यही कहता अपने एसेज में, keep anger far away from you. Anger is a one letter short, D. It will become danger in time to come. So Guru Bani says, one should be tolerant as wind, water, earth and tree. देखिए हवा को, सब सहती है। देखिए पानी को, सब सहता है। देखिए इस धरा को, सब सहती है। देखिए इस वृक्ष को, सब सहता है, फिर भी देने का मादा रखता है। देना सीखिए, joy of giving. One should be, even mindedness. Keep concentration high, level high. Remain in this world, but detach from the materialistic pleasures. Like a rishi, you should live. I am not, I am not here forcing you, or I'm not, making you, or I'm not, rather I should say that you should not earn your livelihood, you should not enjoy all the luxuries or extravagant ways of life. I'm not teaching you all these things, because you are part and parcel of a generation next. But you should have this. You see the example of Tata, Ratan Tata ji. See the example of Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, though he died premature death. It was a premature death. But see what lesson they taught. What lesson they taught? Attitude of respect, sympathy and understanding, positive in all the circumstances. So you remain in this world, but detach yourself. This is called karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadacha. Involve, indulge in all the actions, but don't be part of the action. Impersonate. It is, impersonalization. Your personality should not be affected by the ill ways of the world. Let us go ahead. So communication can play a big role in developing an environment of tolerance. You can create tolerance. You can create through communication acceptance and respect. Because the color, age, race, religion, gender, views, very difficult to communicate. Because you need to understand your receiver. If you don't, then barriers will be there, obstacles will be there, impediments will be there. If you don't know the culture, if you don't know the diverse background of your receiver, there may be kind of destruction. So if you have effective mastery, control over your communication, then you can bridge the gap. You can develop a better platform for both of you to understand. And how you can do that? When you use words which are appropriate in terms of giving respect, not showing respect. When you understand the feelings, understanding not only your thoughts but others' thoughts and actions as well as. And when you will discuss a very open environment, your conflicts, your differences. I will give you one example. Yesterday, Saurabh ji was trying to contact me. I was also trying. We continuously, in touch with each other. And in evening, I told him, sir, we need to have a trial. I want a trial before actual delivery. He said, yes, why not? We can have. And he also came on time, 3:45, and he started ringing. I was also there. And we did it. Some of the students were also there. But if you are open, others will definitely become open to you. And there will be no conflicts. There will be no differences in the world. Open, honest, not to others, to yourself first. Don't think that others, they will, become disciplined. First, set your own example. So in a perfect diverse world, people will develop strong opinions. And there will be no conflict and there will be no cause of conflict. When we communicate to others, what we should do? Have not sympathy, have empathy. That means understanding. Accepts others, opinions, qualification, experience, background, age, attitude, behavior, psychology, everything of that. अरे घर में भी तो यही करते हैं यार, शादी में भी पापा मम्मी से भी हम में भी दो गलती है तो आप में भी. एक जोरीज विंडो होता है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट. जोसेफ हैरिस विंडो. यदि मैं सही हूं तो मुझे मालूम है सही, पर अदर्स दे डू नॉट नो अबाउट इट. I should know that what others they know about me. If I would be able to know, then there would be a high level of mutual understanding. Then you should have respect, whether it is junior, senior, whether it is inferior, or superior, or if it is of a low job person or a high job person. Have that acceptance and have that respect. You see the example of some of you would be in future. Mostly Bhattacharya, they are the students of third, fourth, which sem?
Sir, they are,
First year also.
BTech program, first year also a few students, but second, third, and fourth year.
Very good, very good. So you see, Narayan Murthy, a down to earth person. He has the respect for all. That develop that sense, develop that attitude. Then you should have tolerance in communication. So these are the questions that you can ask to yourself. Do I listen to people with differing backgrounds, views, or opinions? Don't I offer solutions if they really require? Do I have the ability to solve their problems? Do I cut short their problems? Do I recognize, respect, and provide the ample scope and space to that fellow in my life? If you ask this question, then you will not lose your temper. The 5 T's of communication, I think, very important in cultivating tolerance. Transparent, like a mirror. Don't be like a mirror. Like a mirror may reflect your own image. So be a transparent mirror, so that you may not be able to do anything in terms of unethical, immoral. Trust each other. Have a high level of trust. Internal trust, external trust. Have togetherness, collaboration, and 21st century skills. This is the part of 21st century skills. We need to work in the team. When you will join your company, dream company, TCS, Infosys, and Capgemini, whatever, they will ask you to form a team and you will be the team leader. So that team spirit, Team India, should be there. Toughness. that in any circumstances, whatever adverse, positive, negative, should not lose your cool. That toughness, that strength of mind should be there. Timeliness. And it's an era where you need to produce everything in, in just blink of your eyes, in a fraction of seconds. So keep yourself always on your toes, ready to serve. When you have this, then you can have a perfect channel to communicate tolerance in and around whatever locality, whatever organization, whatever job, whatever profession you are in. So how Vedic or Veda knowledge can be helpful? Talk to himself, herself, silence, mourn, keep mourn for a while. Mum. If communication is gold or silver, then silence is also just like a diamond. मौनम सर्वत्र वर्जेत. भाई ये क्या कहा मैंने? ये तो वही कहा ना कि मौन रखें 2 मिनट का, 3 मिनट का. That will give you inner and outer strength. Do some yoga practices in the morning. Asana, pranayam. So that your, this purgation, purification of body, mind and soul is required. So bodily you will be purified. Then become aware about your strength, weaknesses. You should not be victim of Arjun or Hanuman syndrome. Yam, niyam, pranayam, rules, spiritual or super consciousness level. I don't tell you to go into deep or dig deep into the dust, earth and have samadhi over there. But at least for some time, have that, steadfast attitude in which you should not be affected by any, loss, gain, profit, loss, or any kind of cheerfulness. It should not affect you. You will remain unaffected if you want to be at the pinnacle of your success. Do some meditative exercises, dhyan, for your positive thoughts. Have control, concentration. ध्यान एंड धारणा, 2 words are there. ये 8 समाधि के प्रकार हैं. ध्यान धारणा भी उसमें, प्रत्याहार भी है, समाधि भी है. Then keep yourself प्रत्याहार. Then withdrawal from absences. पतंजलि ने कहा है, मैंने नहीं कहा है. And then do some mantras, not काला जादू. भट्टाचार्य जी हंस रहे होंगे, बंगाल में काला जादू बड़ा प्रसिद्ध है. आपसे काला जादू की उम्मीद नहीं करता, करिएगा भी मत. केवल ये करिए, डू सम ओम. चलिए 1 मिनट के लिए करते हैं. आंखें बंद करिए, हाथ जोड़िए, फोल्ड योर हैंड्स, हैव ए डीप ब्रीथ. करिए थोड़ा जल्दी से, हैव ए डीप ब्रीथ. ओम. चलिए आप अपने माइक खोलिए, थोड़ा एक हमिंग साउंड होगा पैदा. सब अपने माइक खोलिए जल्दी. 1 2 3. ओके, लेट अस हैव ए डीप ब्रीथ. शैल आई गो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
I like it. Okay, have a deep breath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your, palms and then touch your eyes. You will feel warmness of Om. This warmness of Om will make you feel enlightened. But it is not a practice of a day or two. It takes time. Okay. How do you feel now, some of you? I want to know, I want to share your experience.
Great.
Good. Okay. Let us have some do's and don'ts. While communicating and developing the environment of tolerance, you should do certain things. Be positive, be truthful, be transparent, cooperative to each other, empathetic, courteous, be polite, नम्र होना सीखिए, विनम्र होना सीखिए. कंपोजर रखिए, योग मेडिटेशन करिए, पेशेंस रखिए, सेल्फ कंट्रोल करिए। छोड़िए ना, छोड़िए बाबू, थोड़ा अफवाहों से बचिए, नकारात्मकता को त्यागिए, संग्रहण की क्षमता कम करिए। ये भी मेरा, वो भी मेरा, जो तेरा है वो मेरा है, ये तो हमारे फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं, और अब मेरे आप सब फ्रेंड्स ही हैं। डरिए मत ना, थोड़ा कैजुअल बिहेवियर ना अपनाएं, रूखे ना मनिए और अपशब्द ना बोलें, बेचैन तो मत होइए, और एब्सर्ड टॉकिंग से परहेज रखिए। जब आप करेंगे तो आप टॉलरेंस को कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे। तो वैल्यू करिए डिफरेंसेस को, तराजू होती है ना न्याय की। People, those who value difference and diversity, are more tolerant to each others, and they are less stressed by ambiguity and uncertainty. उनको ड्यूलिटी में जिंदगी पसंद नहीं हो, एक ही जीवन में अपना सफल कर पाते हैं लक्ष्य। इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम देन गो फॉर एन एक्सप्लेनेशन। जिस बच्चे ने मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा, बेटर टू अंडरस्टैंड अदर्स व्यू, आस्क so that he could explain you. Let us come to the final points. The tolerance is the first step when you want to enjoy the diversity, the beauty of this world. We can conquer hate and violence if we promote tolerance. And what is universal tolerance? Universal love. You need inner transformation, oneness, belongingness, humility, down to earth, amicable friendship, love, respect. From today onwards, don't get involved in any ego practices. Egoist, be victim of egoism, rather, I should say. Have deep level of understanding. Don't create any false sense of separateness. By birth, we are united. And that union with God, the communion with God, cannot be separated. It is the strength of mind through which you can able to accept pleasant and unpleasant, or whatever positive or negative circumstances. Then you can have a very good world around you, and you can also, help the next generation to have an environment of high level of tolerance. Thank you. But with this mantra, Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashyat dukh bhagavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. सब सुखी रहें, सब निरामय रहें, किसी के जीवन में दुखों का या किसी भी भाव का अभाव न रहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Thank you one and all. I am open for any question if you have. Please ask any question. You are most welcome to ask questions.
I would request the participants to please interact because this is a wonderful opportunity. Yes, Abhay Singh ji.
सर आई हैव क्वेश्चन फॉर द सर।
Very good, Abhay ji. Very good.
सर आपके अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा सर एनर्जी है, सर मोटिवेशन है, सर आपने बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन में ऐसे काम वगैरह किया है सर, आप इसका रीज़न क्या है, सीक्रेट क्या है सर इसके पीछे का?
Your blessings are always with me. Because people like Abhay ji, from there I learn, I extract energy from them. I extract energy from people like Abhay ji, because I think you are the head of the department of, if I'm not wrong, Dr. Abhay. No, you are Abhay
No,
Singh.
he's some
Okay,
student.
okay,
Abhay
okay.
Singh. Abhay Singh. He's
Yeah.
some student.
अभय मीन्स जिसको भय नहीं हो, तो जिसको निर्भीक हो, उससे तो एनर्जी मिलती है ना, उससे तो आपसे एनर्जी लेता हूं मेरे भाई. I get energy, I seek energy from people like you. I'm also, part and parcel of this man is mortal like concept. But through, regular practices, regular, you know, I should say, practice of tolerance, regular practice, constant practice of peace, constant practice of affection, constant practice of speech of freedom, one can grow. And I'm also growing just like you. So I get, energy from people like you. You are the source of my inspiration. You are the source of my energy. Boost is the secret of my energy. I won't say. You are the secret of my energy. You charge me up. And today also you did the same, Abhay. Thank you very much. Any other question apart from Abhay?
Anybody who would like to interact with sir?
It would be my pleasure and honor to interact with young blood.
Well, if there aren't any questions, then let me thank you, sir, profusely for giving us time. And once again,
One
you
minute.
have
I'm really sorry to
no,
stop
no,
you, sir.
bilkul, sir.
Sir,
Bataiye.
can you request all the participants to open their camera and then we can have a photograph? You can click a photograph for us.
Yeah, sure, sure. It would be very kind of you, dear participants. Please switch on your cameras. I would request you to switch on your cameras so that we can have a photograph.
अभय जी आपका तो
आप
हाँ
लोग
वेरी गुड. अब मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. अब मुझे कोई डर नहीं.
Exactly. I would request all participants kindly please switch on your cameras. It is a wonderful platform to know yourself,
To know your potentials,
to know your
let,
potentials.
latent potentials.
जी sir, बिल्कुल. So I'll
Okay.
just जी
Okay.
जी
Now you please go ahead, sir. Take a click.
जी
Take
sir,
a pic.
बिल्कुल. So I'll just one sec sir. एक्चुअली हम लोग भी अभी लर्निंग मोड में ही हैं तो थोड़ा सा
Am I looking, now perfect?
yeah you're always perfect sir.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So, may I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Naveen Kumarji for his wonderful talk and enlightening us about the microscopic but so important aspects of our life. And most importantly, we would like to have him sometime over on our in our institute when the things become even normal, so that we can enlighten a huge crowd with such aspects of human ethics and quality. I would also like to thank our director, sir, Dr. R.K. Pandit, sir, for his constant encouragement and support and his out of the box thinking to which made us organize such an event. I would like to thank Dr. Manjari Pandit, Dean Academics, for her constant support, Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Kansal, sir, our head of the department, Dr. Abhay Mishra, sir. And last but not the least, sir, I would like to confess that this webinar would have been incomplete had a few students of our group, of our core group, not helped me out in their support, namely Mr. Mohit Singh, Mr. Raj Kirar, then we have Vijayshri Saraswat. I'm sorry if I'm missing out on any names. Even new people like Shivi Tomar ji, Utkarsh ji, and everyone, Smriti Dohare. So these are some of the names who have been so actively helping me out so that I could, we could in totality accomplish this. So, and once again, sir, I thank you very humbly for accepting and interacting with us and accepting our invitation. And after this session, dear participants, please don't leave the group because you will get a feedback form which will be generated. And that feedback form will be compulsory for you to submit, so that we could understand. We may need such more sessions. So, and I'm sure this is a wonderful one. So please do give your feedback. So thank you, sir. So with all your permission, may I take leave and
Better I
I
should
would
take leave
request
because you
right,
have
sir.
to you have to
Yes,
deliver
sir.
your
Yes,
feedback.
sir. So I could end the session.
Thank you very much.
So
I'm
yeah,
leaving.
thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. आप लोग जाइएगा
Thank
नहीं,
you,
हमें
sir.
फीडबैक
So we will get the certificates.
यस, लेकिन आपको फीडबैक देना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू गिव
Sure.
द फीडबैक, ठीक है ना? चलिए, सो आई एंड द सेशन ओवर हियर एंड सर्टिफिकेट जनरेशन में अभी 2-3 दिन लगेंगे बेस्ड ऑन योर फीडबैक, ठीक है? प्लीज, सो आई लीव द कॉल, ओके, बट डोंट लीव द ग्रुप, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
चलिए, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.